Hi everyone, my name is Bharti. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go with this look. Let's start with the moisturizer. This is the one from Sugar and it is amazing for combination skin. The primer which I'm using is from Benefit and it is really good for open pores. I usually apply it just on my T-zone. I prefer to dab it a little, but sometimes I rub it also. Like I just want to fill my pores in with this. This is one of my favorite foundations from Nykaa. It's amazing for oily skin and especially for summers because it's matte. So I dab it all over and then I use a wet beauty blender with it to blend it out. Please don't use a dry one. Dab, 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 blend, blend, blend. Now I'm using this high coverage concealer from Huda Beauty. I really like this one and I am going to be covering my inner eyes also because I think that's the darkest part, so I usually cover it up. And now I look really weird here, but bear with me, this is gonna actually cover all my dark circles. I love this applicator a lot. It gives me a very cooling effect. Dab, dab, dab. Please don't rub, otherwise you will end up hurting your eyes. Now we will set these under eyes. I do not use too much powder, very lightly, and I do not leave the powder on under my eyes because it's gonna make it very dry. So I usually just blend it out while I am applying it. Time to contour like a Kardashian. I love this bronzer a lot, especially during summers because I do not do cream contour. Now do this for a sharp jawline. Some blush on the cheeks to make it look more natural. Now we are going to use the same palette which I have been holding in my hand. I am actually using a very light brown shade here for transition. The second shade which I'm using here is a little bit darker than the last one. And now the turquoise blue on my eyes. I'm actually making a V shape in the end. Now here you just dab the color on your lid and just pat it on. I am also using yellow from this palette on my inner eyes to brighten it up a little. Just patting it. This is something new which I've recently started using. It's actually brow powder from my Glam and it actually worked out pretty nice. You'll see it in this video. The other side of this brow powder is an eyeliner which I'm using right here, and I'm not gonna do something dramatic. I am just starting from the middle to give it a very nice uplifting effect. Some mascara from Kiko Milano to lift my lashes. Lenses from Vision Clear, and I love how it changes the whole look. I mean, look at it. Just look at the difference. Keeping my highlighter very natural today because I do not want it to pop out. My favorite nude lipstick to complete the look. This one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you next time.